Meaning of follicle.
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 Follicle. A follicle is a small cavity or sac in the body, typically containing fluid or tissue. In medicine, it often refers to the structure surrounding a hair, which contains the root and nourishes the hair. Follicles can be found all over the body, such as in the ovaries or skin, and play important roles in physiological processes like reproduction and hair growth. They can also be affected by diseases or disorders, leading to conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome or hair loss. Overall, follicles are crucial structures for maintaining proper bodily functions.